Hello YouTube. It sucks to be you right now because your door is stuck closed. Mine is now open. I'm going to show you what to do for the F250 Super Duty. All Super Duties. Undo these two screws. Pull this out. Hit yourself in the face with it like that, like I just did. And you set it off to the side. Then, this is like unlike the F-150s, you have some push pins that have to come out. Press those in. Here's one. Here's the other. Oh, here's the other. Press it in, and then this whole thing has to pull out first. Did I just break mine? No, I didn't. Let's see. Your door panel will not come up. Make sure you drop it on the ground. And then, this other panel here has to come out. The push pin has to come out too. Now that those two are out, put it on your dashboard. Then you need a 7mm for these two screws. Make sure you lose those also. Put those on your dashboard. Then this whole panel comes up. I was just maybe pulling up right here. Then you see there's 4, 2, 6. However many of these things, they slide in and up. They slide up. Push. And you put them back. Put them right in the little things. Push it all the way in, and you press down real hard. All right. Set that to the side. Peel this back. What I did was I put a couple of zip ties to keep the wire. Can I turn on the light? One zip tie here to this bar, another zip tie here to the bar, so the cable is pulled over into the bracket. It stays in the bracket. I added a little bicycle lock washer. I stole this off my kid's bike because it's sitting around not being used anyway, and he's a little jerk anyway. And there's a little lock washer right here. I was gonna put this whole thing on here, but it wouldn't fit. I think people buy something like this for 10 bucks. It's what a waste of money. So anyway, I put the lock washer right there, and then I squeezed it together so this gap wasn't here anymore. You can see that right there. So that's around the cable. Just take up some slack. And then I put zip ties, like I said, to the bar to keep it together. And now it functions. What I did was, you want to close it like 10 times. See, it almost caught up that time. This fix not gonna work. Sucks to be me.